Today's review will be about the LEGO Indy set Fight on the Flying Wing, set 7,683, 376 pieces. First, there's a German soldier. Nothing much new about him, except the brown helmet. Then there's a completely new minifigure, the mechanic, which is very detailed. He's a brand new minifig, not in any other set. He's the one he's the buff mechanic who fights Indy. Then there's Marion with a new face, the new 2009 mold for her face. Once again, she has a happy and scared face. Then there's the usual Indy, in his usual outfit with his whip and gun. The only new minifig is the mechanic. There's an oil truck, which has a spinning oil drum. The truck is very detailed and durable. There's an oil nozzle. And you can see two people in there. Now the flying wing, it can be fragile at times. But there's the cockpit for the driver. You place the driver in there. And there's a place to put someone at the gun. There's propellers like in the movie. You can position the guns. You can move the guns up and down. The downside, however, is the bottom wheels fall off easy. Then there's the secret compartment. The cool thing is there's a secret compartment to store the crate, supposed to be the Ark. Has some jewels in it. But this is in place of the Ark. You can still fit the Ark in here. Now the wings are kind of flimsy. And these parts, the ends of the wing often fall off. These parts especially, this part especially, it tends to fall off. Now the set has a lot of green on it. The flying wing is very detailed, just like in the movie. Everything about it's very detailed. And it even has some guns on the front of it. Basically, you can fit two people in the flying wing. One in the cockpit for the pilot, and the other in another minifigure in the gunner seat. But there's a few stickers. The wheels tend to fall off very easily. And sometimes parts fall off by themselves. They could have done better on the durability. But other than that, there's not much more to say about this set. I would give it durability 4.5 bricks out of 5.0 bricks. I wouldn't give it a perfect, but for the building experience, I would give the building experience a 5 bricks out of 5 bricks. And for the value for money, if you pay $50 the regular price, it's not, the value for money would be a 3 out of 5. This shouldn't be a $50 set. $40 or $30 would be, $40 to $30 would be more reasonable. Overall, I would say this set is a 4.3 out of 5.0 bricks. It's not perfect, but it's an excellent set. And it's very movie accurate. The instructions, they're mostly detailed and easy to understand, but when I was making the oil tanker, it was a little confusing. But other than that, the instructions are great.